we've arrived, the car's parked up, and we're at Morro Jable. Lighthouse and beach to our right. Shops and refreshments to our left. We are in search of a drink, maybe an ice cream too. Hello, how are you? Hello. Lovely palm trees along here. A lot of the hotels and apartments seem to be along the back. So if you were staying up there, your view would be the beach and the lighthouse. This is family. Ice cream?
Just a little snack before dinner.
Well needed. What was your flavour? Salted caramel. And mine was the world famous chocolat. Nice benches, aren't they? When we were in Lanzarote last year, virtually every other Rhode Island had a wind chime on it. Haven't seen so many here. So that is quite unique looking, gotta say. So, we're stopping for something to eat here. Wow. What on earth is this sculpture about? All I can see is someone's backside sitting on a iron frame. Yeah, does not very comfortable. This is one big hotel here, Palm Garden, from what I can see at the top there. Big hotel complex by the looks of things. If you're staying there, this is your view, as well as another very interesting sculpture. This is a very long walkway and cycle route along the front. That's where you hire your bikes from. Now we're going to head towards the beach. Once we're on the beach, we'll head back towards the lighthouse. That's where we are now. So much to see over the next few days. If you're looking for a sandy beach, this town may be the right place for you. And if you're also a Lighthouse fan, well, what more can I say?